November's Gin of the Month box is here and it's perfect timing as things starting to get a little bit colder and a little bit darker.
And without further ado, we're going to look at our star of the show, our gin of the month, which is, Pete, drum roll.
It's Mad Owl Gin, and we've gone all the way to Denmark for this one. And so we have a very citrus forward gin this month.
Let's pour you a little splash.
Thank you very much.
Skål!
And so in there's some orange zest, there's some lemon zest, there's some coriander as well. Just tons and tons of citrus notes there, and they really do shine through.
We'll meet our tonics for this month, which are...
We've got Elixir and their pink grapefruit expression.
Pink, look how pink they are.
So we've got a really citrus forward gin. You need something a little bit sharper to balance that out there, and pink grapefruit does that in spades.
It's going to be great, and it's going to be even more great because we've got our garnish for the month, which is grapefruit and cinnamon.
So we're going back again. We want something warming in there, and cinnamon sticks do that perfectly. It just brings it all together really nicely.
Really unique as well, but perfect, like you say, for this time of year. So I'm happy and excited to try that too. Right, we've now also got our cocktail of the month, which for November is a wonderfully warming gin and stormy. Pete, are you excited?
Yes, I got to do the taste trials with Maria when she was putting this together. It's taken a ton of work, but the end result is brilliant. And it's perfect when it's stormy outside. You can get stormy inside.
Stormy inside with your gin and stormy. And to make this delicious cocktail, we are also working with Elixir on their ginger beer, which is obviously a wonderfully key component of this cocktail. That's going to give it a nice kick, I believe. What else is in the box? We've got some extra mixes and we've got snacks, and I'm just about to bring out the first of those, which is this delicious looking juice of hibiscus and apple natural still drink with a touch of ginger from Calyx Drinks. You know what? You could heat that up and make a lovely like hot toddy, like mulled drink, which would also be fantastic for keeping warm this
Absolutely.
November. This is our next drink extra. It is Dash.
We've got Dash here. I love it when we work with Dash. They've got a really great range. And this is their soda water. So it's rhubarb and fiery ginger. Again, it's really warming, exactly what we try and do with this box. And delicious as well.
Delicious.
Yep, they've ticked all the boxes there.
Eat Real lentil chips. So these are chili and lemon flavour. They are low in sugar and low in fat, and they look really great. Very different kind of snacking option.
Yeah, that's what you want. The texture's perfect to them, and they're really tasty.
Nice alternative to your usual crisp option. Lovely. Our next snack is Nuts for punchy smoked paprika. Pete?
So we've gone for a different flavour from these guys this time. I love paprika, so I'm absolutely sold on it. They've nailed it. They've done what they say on the tin there.
Can you see yourself having a G&T with those? Just a little nibble on the side,
They'll
perfect
go
little
perfectly.
extra. I love nuts for the perfect G&T. Obviously this month we have a nice sweet snack as well, and I'm really excited. It's chocolate. This is Yummy Comb Sea Salted Caramel Belgian Milk Chocolate with honeycomb. I can't wait. I'm going to dive straight in. It's got a little bee on it. It's cute. Yes.
There's not much more to say. That is delicious.
Belgian milk chocolate is just perfect, lovely. We also have our beautifully designed Ginned magazine, which is full of recipes and games and competitions and information all about our gin of the month and all of the items in the box. We've got baking recipes, we've got tips on how to get hygge, how to keep warm and cozy in these winter months.
Yes, it's a really interesting read. So Torben, the guy who distilled this for you guys and is the founder of the distillery, he used to be a journalist back in the day, travelled around to all the best distilleries in the world. I think I have a good job, he might have had the best one there.
Lots to learn and lots to enjoy in this month's Gin of the Month box for November. I don't know about you, Pete, but I know I'm gonna grab a G&T, I'm gonna light a candle, I'm gonna get a book or maybe the magazine and get all cozy, the blanket.
Let's get hygge.
Yeah!